Start.
Hi, I am Anmol Agrawal and we are performing industry analysis of two-wheelers in India. So currently we are world's largest two-wheeler producer with production capacity of about 21 million units. There is a perfect competition in the industry due to presence of many domestic and international players. Segment-wise, motorcycles constitute more than half of the sales and four major players constitute more than 85% of market share. So we have performed here a pest analysis to gain some info about future perspective of the industry.
Hi, I am Shaurya. Now we'll discuss various political factors. Various policies are introduced by the government, majorly focusing in the EV market, like FAME 1, FAME 2, and any MMP. This slide shows the investments done in FAME 1 and FAME 2 schemes. There has also been a massive increase in foreign direct investments in India by various companies like Toshiba, Suzuki in the automobile sector, thereby leading to its growth. This bar graph shows the amount in billion US dollars. Production Linked Incentive or PLI is another scheme introduced to foster the manufacturing of various electric components like diodes, batteries, etc. in the country.
So now let's have a look at economic sectors. So industry grew at about 7.3% CAGR for past 5 years. And recent initiatives to solve NBFC liquidity crisis will also help the industry. Exports are gaining momentum due to increased demand in African and Latin American countries. So we have a strong advantage in production due to low labor cost and great economies of scale. But recent volatility and raw material costs have impacted the margins of companies. Lowering interest rates by RBI at 4% repo will boost investment activities and increase consumer spending. Now let's have a look at social factors. So rising women population has boosted scooter sales. So according to many surveys, increased stress on personal safety will force people to go for personal vehicles. A major proportion of them will be two-wheelers. So rising traffic in many cities and less parking space has also forced many people to prefer two-wheelers for local commuting.
So now we'll discuss the various technological factors. There has been a boost in investments for research and development by various companies like Hero, Bajaj, and other major players. This is a graph showing the cumulative investments over the financial years 2015 to 2019. There has been a significant decrease in battery prices over the past decade. There has also been a recent shift in usage of lithium-ion batteries over lead-acid batteries due to their high charge density and compact design. This slide shows the decrease in price of lithium-ion batteries and is expected to fall below $100 per kilowatt hour by the year 2025. Digital manufacturing is also seen as another paradigm shift globally. This involves the usage of various advanced techniques like 3D printing, robotics to transform the conventional production methodology.
So on comparing Bajaj financial performance, it is visible that Bajaj has much better profit margins and negligible debt. Return on equity is slightly better than the peers. So thank you. This was our analysis on two-wheeler industry in India.